Everyone's always says, like, well, but mail-in voting works because they got to match your signature to your signature on file. Not anymore. Or at least the Democrats are trying to do that. That can be insane.
Manual recording.
What we say, it's a mirror world to what they say.
It's true.
We say the Democrats and Biden are evil. They say Trump and the Republicans are evil. We say we got to investigate them for the crimes. They say just among these people.
You're right. You know, it's crazy. I hope they come around because we can lose it. You know, I forget who said it.
Over a mask? Wow, that's scary. You then shown this video of Smash Mouth cheering to a big happy crowd, and they're all celebrating, and he's like, man, F that S, you know, we're having a good time, yay, cheering. Big wall, you won't know where they're going. So then, for budgeting reasons and for, you know, strategy and tactics, they decide to do the fencing. Where we are right now is where the grade is being made. And in front of us are all the different threads in random directions, and we're braiding it in circles.
Manual.
On the question, though, while 75% of Republicans and a plurality of unaffiliated voters, 47%, think the police should crack down on the protests.
Manual recording will now start.
Broke 8 parts. The M240 did over that 50,000 round torture test. In the meantime,
here we go again.
60, as much as I love it, I want that.
Manual recording will now start.
Topic also never came out that Genghis Khan was kind of a shadow. I mean, those nights usually ended up something skin-proof, but you know what I mean, right, man? But,
H&K has dabbled in 45 ACP pistols in the past, notably with the P9 series, but the most prolific...
Need 10 bullets to hunt or something. What would be the difference between making that argument and saying that 30 or 50 rounds is high capacity? And
Okay. Ricardo's own mother could sense that in his video diary. He also goes straight back into his plans for Bjork by just...
I've been saying I'm probably going to vote for Trump. If it happened today, I'd probably vote for Trump. Absolutely. It has to do more with the Democrats. Failures.
it was the most amazing... Here, let me just pull images up. Here, check this out. Well, this is an epic...
Many users took issue with the poster that depicts the film's stars in revealing clothing, as well as stating that the main character joins a twerking people who don't believe in, gay marriage.
That's true.
And LGBTQ rights and stuff like that.
Maybe I'm just talking about my own family and my micro.
They've shifted. Oh, so they're jumping to the suburbs. The Saints of the Fallen says, guys, please consider taking a break before November. We're going to need you in tip-top shape. You're hired, exactly. And that's how it rolls. Wow. So here's the question I had. You said walk away from the left, though. I mean, I can rag on Democrats all day and night. Reallocating funding from police, to outside groups, whatever. And Joe said, yes, absolutely. Later on, he said something. Just give me the speech I gave back in 08 or whatever. The fact that they gave him a speech from back in 08, he just redid it.
Where the river flowing.
With her when she says racist things. If you don't believe me, it's in the book. Go watch the videos I did on this because I literally show you where this is in the book. Now, I haven't read this dude's book yet.
Manual.
Oh no is really code word for the Department of Racism to ensure they won't yield racial inequity, monitor these policies, investigate.
Then the guy pretty much vanished. But the best thing that ever happened regarding Ty was his appearance on the Dr. Phil show, where Ty actually
Manual recording will now start.
I disagree a little bit. I think the general goal for the mask is just so you don't spit. You know what I mean? So I hear what you're saying for sure. I ultimately spit.
Manual.
Oh shit!